Dude!
我发誓，我
Oh my god! Holy!
On a quiet, sunny morning, the sudden crash of lightning hitting your porch is the ultimate surprise.
Just missed a huge lightning bolt.
Lightning during a storm leads to intense ionization of the air. What started as a peaceful rain video quickly turned into a dramatic display of lightning. A stork escapes after lightning strikes its nest. These incredible photos were captured at a ski resort in Poland. With its impressive height of over 550 meters, Toronto's CN Tower is a magnet for lightning.
Holy. Oh my god.
Saurus so surely never forget this cruise on Lake Dora in Florida.
Swan's out of the shower. Woo! Whoa, that was close! Did you see it blow out the smithereens? Stuff, man.
Many assume lightning only hits roofs, but the reality is far more shocking. The storm turns this road into a real game of Russian roulette.
Getting real windy in just a second.
picking up now. Here we go.
Holy Christ.
It may not be as powerful as a ground strike, but a cloud-to-plane discharge is still quite fearsome.
So I'm thinking the camera's going to get...
Statistics show that lightning hits water far less often than it does land.
Yeah, it was right there.
A lightning strike caused this Doppler radar in Texas to reset entirely. Yet another transformer has met its end. See how a lightning rod does its job in this video from Japan. In the past, there have been occasions where athletes were struck by lightning during play. That lightning really wanted to make it into the news. This incident resulted in a major blackout that affected a large region for an entire day.
Sure.
A lightning strike can produce temperatures that reach up to 30,000 degrees Celsius. This is why you should steer clear of lone trees during a lightning storm. Typically, an airplane gets struck by lightning once a year, most often during takeoff or landing. This video beautifully showcases its stunning hue.
No! Dude, I got it!
Wind turbines are often hit by lightning, much like any tall, independent structure. The first rumble of thunder always catches you off guard.
What do you want?
Rain might feel romantic, but a close lightning strike is more exciting. A quick flash that changes the city's mood is something epic. Don't assume lightning will only hit the highest object. Nature is demonstrated that it can put on a show just as well as people day.
We realized that it was not raining in Holly.
A lightning strike can resemble a firecracker, but it's 1,000 times stronger.
Oh,
It hit the light.
A powerful lightning bolt strikes the Kenton Tower in Guangzhou, illuminating the stormy sky.
Good trick.
Though dangerous, thunderstorms have a way of making the world feel enchanted.
I'm there in that white car that was pulled up, but I'm not getting out of the car. Holy cow. Just
An incredible electric show on one of Guatemala's volcanoes. Sometimes just witnessing a close lightning strike is enough to give you shivers.